Hello to all my fellow day traders. Welcome to June 11th, 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 22 points up move at the level of 11,964. US markets have done pretty okay for itself. 78 points up on DowJones, 81 points up on Nasdaq, and 13 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and go to the open session as well. So Indian markets have their slow stochastic at 62.29 and fast stochastic at 63. Indian markets again had a dampener yesterday. However, it was closing higher from yesterday's or day before yesterday's session, that is on Friday, right? So yesterday was a bit of a dampener. It opened at the almost the same level and closed at the almost same level, which is called as a doji. So there is a doji which is formed. There is still no decision in the market. There is indecision in the market because it can't decide that if it has to go upwards or downwards. So that being said, what is fast stochastic denoting? What is the supports and resistances? Let's check it out. Slow stochastic, fast stochastic both denote that we are not in the overbought zone or a oversold zone, so we may fall down or fall or go upwards from here onwards. So that's what it is denoting. MACD is trying to give a crossover because the momentum has died a bit because it fell all the way from the level of 12,100 levels to the 11,800 levels, which was a dampener, right? So that being said, let us see what are the supports and resistances. The supports as of now, which is holding in yesterday's session as well, is 11,850 levels, and below that the 11,831 levels and 11,800 levels, 11,771 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. If that is also broken, 11,749 and 11,721, of course 11,700, 11,688 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? Of course 11,950 and 11,958, 12,000, which is a very strong resistance for the market, and above that 12,041 and 12,055 levels and 12,100 levels. That's the level of exact 12,103 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. So that's the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below and you'll be taught 4 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.